Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the TPlayer application on Google TV.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's head into the video. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard and I'm going to do this in 2 steps. So we're going to install the application in 2 steps. Step 1 is going to be enabling unknown sources. This will enable us to download and install an application which is unknown or from an unknown source. Step 2, we're going to use the APK application to download and install the app. Let's head to step 1. I'm going to go to quick settings and move over to all settings. From all settings, I'm going to go down to settings or rather system and click on the about button. This will bring me to this where I can find the build number. So Android TV OS build, that's the build number. Now, all I need to do is click on this button 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That will enable developer options. So if you have now become a developer, it's showing it's you are now a developer. From there, I want you to move out and you see developer options right here. That confirms that you were successful. Step 1 is done, and now we'll have the authority to install an application from our own source. Next, we're going to move over to the APK application. So you see me sorting the app drawer, and I've gotten the app. If you do not have this app, click on the link in the description. I have a tutorial that will show you how to download and install this application. But when you're in the app, just scroll down to see browsers and players. Click on that, and you have to go all the way down to the bottom to locate the TPlayer application. So right here, I find it. So this is the application TPlayer. You see the download button here. All you do is click on it and your download will begin. So as you can see, I've clicked on that button already, and my download is now 48%. I'll just sit tight and hang off the download to complete, and then we'll install the application. There we go. The application has downloaded, and now if I click on this download button again, it will double installation. So the app is done downloading. This should happen automatically. It just begins to stage and install. On this page, you'll find a pop-up message that will say unknown sources, or downloading from unknown sources, or installing an unknown app. All you need to do here is toggle on the toggle which is beside APK time. This will enable APK time. Install an application that is unknown source on your TV. You just come over, toggle that on, and when you find this install button, you can click it and give it a couple of seconds. It's going to install on your device. Now, when this installs on your TV, you can launch it from here. Use the open button, or you could go back to the app library, click on the app, and it opens up. So that's how you do it. That's how you get the TPlayer application to your Google TV. If you found that exciting, do also hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.